When Mr. Hayward, walked in through our doors, he was one of our classic patients that were, unable to really feel confident in their smile. When we started to, meet him and learn his whole story, it really started to come together, and it was like, this guy is, given so much for our country and for, his community too. And when you start to realize, those kind of things in where you might be able to help him, it really kind of turned the light bulb for us.
My name is Raymond Hayward. I was born in the Bronx, but I grew up in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm the oldest of 7. And when I graduated in '71, I had a brother that drowned a week before my graduation. But, that was another reason that made me join the Navy, because he and I had planned to go into the Navy together. And since he couldn't go, I just went for the both of us. I grew up from a mother and a father. I had a full family. We weren't the richest. We probably weren't the poorest. But we had regular dental appointments, but the dentist didn't do anything but fill a cavity, pull a tooth, give you some ice cream and send you home. That was the specialty back in the days. Nobody was trying to save anything. They were just trying to get rid of the pain and whatnot. So eventually, after a while, every chance I got to go to the dentist while I was in the Navy, I could go to the dentist, and I had some work done while I was in the Navy. But since I've been out of the service and since I've been home, I haven't had any work done in a long time. And my whole personality is not based on a smile, because I don't smile, because I don't have any teeth to make me want to smile. So if I smile, it's more like a grandeur, But, as life goes on, one of the things that impressed me about this place is that he just kept concentrating on your smile. He says, you're going to have a great smile, a great smile. And I've always wanted to smile. I just didn't feel like I had the mouth for it. So it was a learning thing. I grew up most of my life without any teeth. Always looking at other people's mouths, and always wondering how I could get mine like that, or mine like that. So that's a joy. It's a big difference. It makes me feel more human. So it's a good thing. Being able to come and go as you please, not upset anybody, make people happy around you, not have very little confidence in yourself. When you're human, you know who you are, you have a great deal of confidence. You can succeed at anything. It definitely does. The way a person looks sometimes is the way that a person who's looking at him will look. They'll look at his face, they'll look at his hair, they'll look at his eyes. Excitement, I'm excited. When I first came, I didn't know that this was an oral dentist. I thought this was just a regular dentist. When you're looking for a dentist, you gotta know what you're looking for. If you just want somebody that's gonna pull your teeth or fill a cap in, that's one thing. But if you're gonna have some major sureties, that's something else. You gotta know who you're going to. And I recommend them wholeheartedly. Yeah, a lot of it I didn't believe was real. I didn't think it was ever going to happen. Yeah, my face feels tighter. It doesn't feel as loose as it did before. My chin feels stronger. Thank you for all the help that they've given me.
So the day of surgery, when we were able to finish Mr. Hayward's case and everything went really well, and we had a wonderful smile for him that delivered it the same day. He woke up and we were able to show him his smile. Of course, he was a little groggy and not able to see it to its full effect until later on that same day, but he actually even called me that night and was just ecstatic about it. It was awesome. And so when he came back in for 1 week follow-up, we've all been excited to see him, and we know that it's only up from here for him, and so I'm really excited to work with him even more He doesn't even know what to expect from his final smile, because right now he's just in his temporaries. But the guy is just truly grateful for everything, and it's just a genuine nice guy. We really want to thank our sponsors. We have 2 really key sponsors that helped us throughout this process in this case. In addition to Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center, we had the implants were all donated, and all the parts and pieces of components of these to fit with the prosthesis and the teeth were donated by Neodent Group. And so we're very grateful and thankful for them to be able to provide those parts and pieces to us. But also we had all the pre-surgical planning and all the surgical guides, donated services and time and labor and cost by our lab, a fully digital lab named Absolute Dental Services, and the Synergy navigation system. And we really appreciate all the things that they were able to help us out with. And the case would have never happened without them. We really appreciate it.